how to add the sunrise and sunset weather widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we go to a blank spot on the home screen and touch and hold. Next, tap on the edit button at the top left. Then from the pop-up, tap on add widget. Next, in the search widget screen, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on weather. Now swipe across until you see it says sunrise and sunset. Then go down to the bottom and tap on the blue add widget button. This will allow you to add the widget to your home screen. And here, tap on the widget itself. Let me see if I can make any changes. So no, I can't. Then simply we tap on the done button. Now tap on the widget to allow it to have access to your location. So here you can search for the city, or you can use one of the suggested cities in the list here. So I will put in Paris, and then choose Paris, France, and then tap on add. We have added to the list here. Now we'll swipe up. Now still showing location access needed. That is kind of strange. So we will work out how you can grant permission so that the widget will have access to your location. Okay, so if you see this error message, you can go into settings. In settings, we go down and tap on privacy and security. Then tap on location services and make sure location services is turned on. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on weather. Also choose always or while using the app or widgets, so you can select that. Then we swipe up, and then if you tap on the widget itself, it should be able to open up and allow you to get the location data, and from there the widget will be able to display the correct information. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.